Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to live a more interesting life. These will be some simplistic steps to a happier life. If you want to have a happier life, chances are you need to make it more interesting. Let's get right into this video. I'm going to be going over 5 easy steps to sort of make yourself more happy with regards to your overall life and make it more interesting. Let's get right into this video, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is find your passion or hobby, okay? So you need to find at least one passion or hobby, but to be honest with you, I always say you need one passion or hobby for every full free day of the week that you have. Meaning, if you are like retired and your kids are grown and you got nothing to do, then you should have 7 passions or hobbies and take up one day on average with each of those passions or hobbies. Because let's say your passion is working out and you work out for 3 hours a day. That's only 3 hours out of the 16 or so hours that you're going to be awake. So you need, even if you work out every day, you need more passions. But if you're working full time and you have young kids and you're super busy, you have a couple jobs, you should still have a passion or a hobby. Simple as that. That's number one. Find it, embrace it, love it. I have a few, I love video games. I play as much as I can. I have 4 young kids, so I don't play so often, but I play as much as I can. Okay, that's number one. I love making money and, and helping people. And when you help people, you make money. It's as simple as that, and I love being idealistic to the people that I know. Meaning I know I'm not perfect, but I know I have lots of great traits. And I like knowing that some of the younger generation and even older generation people, when they talk about me, they just tend to talk, fairly highly of me. Not like you're the best, but like decently highly of me, to the fact where they know that like I'm a good human being and I'm an asset to this earth, so those are my passions, okay? But you got to figure out your own. And I have a few other ones that are smaller, but those are my major passions, okay? So I know obviously like parenting, being a great husband, being a great father, being a great son, being a great brother, of course, those things as well, working hard, but those are just more my duties. They're my passions, but they're my duties. Even if it wasn't a passion, I would have to do them no matter what. So, those are just a given, I'd like to say, okay? That's number one, find your passion or hobby. I'm going to do the rest a little bit faster than that one. We're going to move on. Number 2, say yes more often. If you want to have a more interesting life and you have time, try to say yes more often. Obviously, you don't have to say yes to everything. You don't want to be a yes person unless that's what you want, but say yes more often. I built really my businesses by saying yes to pretty much every opportunity that came my way. And then now that they're built, I say yes as little as possible because I just don't have the time. But definitely, if you want to be more interesting, have a more interesting life, and be happier, say yes, because you never know what's going to make you happy. You can try it, say yes, try it out. If you don't like it, say no the next time, who cares? But at least you can say you tried. I always try new things, but I find myself saying yes very limited now because I just have a very, very, very finite amount of time. Hence why I'm filming my content, and it's like almost 8:30 at night after my kids already put to bed. My wife's at home relaxing, chilling out, and this is my prime time to do work. So yeah, anyways, enough about me. Moving on, number 3, because I know I've talked about myself quite a bit in this video. I apologize about that, but it is what it is. I mean, I only know myself. I don't know you. So I can't tell you about you, but I can tell you about me because I know me, if that makes any sense at all. And let's move on to number 3. Enough about me. Move on to number 3. We rhyme all the time. Let's do this, okay? And I'll give you a kiss. All right. Anyways, no more rhyming. No more rhyming. All the timing. Okay. Anyways, number 3. Do something you've been putting off, Oftentimes, maybe we're anxious about something, maybe we're afraid to do it, maybe we don't have the time to do it, and we just put it off. Just do that thing you've been putting off. I promise you, you'll be happier, number 1, that it's done. And number 2, that it's off your mind. And number 3, that you tried it out if you've been putting it off. If it's something that you're worried about, just do something you've been putting off. You feel so much better. I try and do that a couple times a week. Get a task done that I've been putting off for a long time. Whether it's like a job task in terms of like I have to do something around the house that I've been putting off, or something fun like, sometimes I just go to a car dealership before they close and I'll just go sit in like the nicest cars. It's like stuff, I don't want to say stuff that I can't afford, stuff that I don't want to, because I can afford these cars, but I don't want to buy them right now, so I'll just go and sit in a Beamer, like a sports, like an M3 or an M5, or an Audi like RS7 or something like that. And it's not that I don't want to say I can't afford them, and I don't want to sit here and pump myself up too much, but I'm not going to buy them now. I have no time to drive them, and they don't fit my kids. So I have 4 young kids. They don't fit my kids. So it's not on my to-do list, but I'll go and I'll just sit down and I'll kind of feel the cars out and kind of maybe take them for a test drive if they let me, which sometimes they do, and it feels great when you're done because I've been putting it off for a long time. It feels good when you get it done. That was number 3, do something that you've been putting off for a while. Number 4 is to schedule most of your day. And this goes against what people say. People are going to tell you, leave your day free. That's a bunch of baloney. Okay, we're rhyming, man. Leave your day free. That's a bunch of baloney. Listen to me and I will tell you how it needs to be. Okay. Anyways, enough with my rapping career. Okay. Schedule most of your day. Plan out your day. But here's the thing. People advise against scheduling your day, doing stuff like that you don't want to do, like stuff that you have to do, but you don't want to do. I agree with that. You don't want to do stuff that you don't want to do. Obviously, that makes sense. But if you can schedule your day with stuff you want to do, it's like wake up, right? Go see a movie, right? Work out. Like if it's stuff that you enjoy, make content for social media. If it's stuff you enjoy doing, clean the house if you want to get your house clean, then schedule most of your day. I'll tell you, I know lots of people that don't schedule their day. They are for me, they are the unhappiest people that I've seen. And that's because they're just circular walking, I call it. They don't know where they're going. Aimlessly, just looking for stuff to, you want help with that? You want help with that? Help yourself. I don't want help with anything. Help yourself. Okay, help yourself first. Don't worry about helping me. People ask me, you want help with that? It doesn't look like I need help with it. I'm great. You need help yourself first. Go find something to do. Create a to-do list. So anyways, schedule most of your day with stuff you want to do. Honestly, it'll help you massively, okay? Last but not least, number 5, which is be more open. So you want to be as open as possible in terms of, talk about yourself. People might think you're cocky, but that's good for them. Too bad. You might think I'm cocky because I talked about myself, but that's good for you. Too bad for you. I'm as open as I can be. That's why I'm talking about myself. Be as open as you can possibly be. Talk about yourself more. Share more of your feelings. Share more of your thoughts. Share more of your intimacies. And, it's just that simple, right? Look, here you go. I'm going to share more. Here's my camera mount that I use to film most of my videos. I got this camera mount on the windshield, and if I'm using my phone, I got a phone mount here. If not, my camera just screws right into the tripod mount over there. I'm pulled over on a side street in my area, filming this video. There's a nice, beautiful house behind me. It's kind of hard to see. I don't want to, you're not seeing the address, but I don't want to dox them, but it's a beautiful house behind me over here. I keep looking in the rearview mirror. It's good for motivation. Be open. I'm not going to tell you the street name, but, just be open. Look, nice, gorgeous house right over here. Be more open. It's as simple as that. Anyways, that is how to live a more interesting life. Some 5 easy steps to a more happier life, to a happier life, to a better life, to a life that is filled and fulfilled. It's that simple. You want to fill your life, right? That's the key, in my opinion, to happen, is fill it up. Fill your cup, buttercup. Anyways, no more rhyming. So that's it. This video, I thought it was going to be like a 3-minute video. It's going to be much longer than that. So if you're still here, thanks for staying tuned. But yeah, if you like the video tutorial / rant explanation, demonstration, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.